Science and technology have come a long way in the development of robots, training them to achieve great feats. But today, in this Duke's class, robots are being trained to become champions.
Yes, we are working on building robots out of these things called VEX kits. And they're robots, the whole goal is to be very strong. They're playing a game of tug-of-war against other robots.
Students work together to design a robot strong enough to outpull another one. In doing so, they're learning about how power, torque, speed, and how gear ratios work to make the best tug-of-war challenger.
We've been learning about power and torque and speed, and about how to make one more powerful over the other using gear ratios. So the whole point is for them to build a robot that has a gear ratio that will prioritize torque over speed so they can pull another robot and win a game of tug-of-war.
This assignment helps students learn problem solving, challenges the class to figure out how to make these connections, to try out different ideas of their own, and to compete with each other.
The building part hasn't really been that challenging. I mean, other than just trying to get like the gear ratios right. But the hardest part about the project in general has been the paper stuff on Google Docs and stuff. I hate doing stuff on Google Docs.
The most challenging part has been figuring out which gear ratios are the most efficient at prioritizing torque over speed. Gears are very cumbersome, and if you don't build it right, the gears will just make you miserable.
But at the end of the day, students had fun while learning. Their hard work shows that work and play go together greatly.
The most enjoyable part for me, I'm very competitive, so seeing other people do their robots and wanting to really beat them, for their robots, that's the most enjoyable part for me.
The most fun part's been building the things. I really like to put all the gears together, make sure they connect right. Drivetrains, gears, treads, wheels, all the stuff. Just putting it together is the most interesting part for me.
By working together, the students were able to create successful competition, some teams more challenging than others. Engineering may seem too hard to do at first, but if you try your best and have fun, maybe you can build a robot warrior too.